Bratapfel, or baked apple, the popular winter dessert in Germany. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. If you saw my other apple recipes, I use Boskop for baking. These winter apples are fragrant and sour, and they stand well to cooking because of their firm flesh. They are so durable that even after getting so old and wrinkled, you don't see any rotten part on them. They are intact. I can even use these old ones to make the Bratapfel and they will turn perfect. But I have a better plan for them that you will see in another video. I have 4 fresh Boskop apples for today's recipe. Like you see, they are bigger than a regular apple and that makes them perfect for Bratapfel. You have to give a horizontal cut at 1/4 from the top of the apple, parallel to the bottom, so that it stands straight. This works as the lid. You see, if you cut them right, they stand perfect even if they are not totally round. By the way, I already preheated the oven to 180 Celsius. Next, you have to core the apple. And then take also some of the flesh out, but not too much of it. Like this. If you don't have a corer, make sure you use a small knife that dig out not much flesh. A tablespoon is too big for this purpose. Let's prep this stuffing. You need 100 grams fine marzipan. Add 160 grams chopped almonds to it, 120 grams raisins. I use a raisin cranberry mix because the cranberry adds a bit of sour and the color to the stuffing. My special recipe also contains dried apricots. You will be fine even without, but trust me, this takes the flavor to the next level. Chop 100 grams of them fine, almost the size of the raisins, and add them to the rest. Get 1 teaspoon cinnamon inside and use your hand to mix everything with marzipan until you have a sticky mess. Pick a baking dish big enough for the apples to stand apart from each other. Put 25 grams unsalted butter in the middle and start stuffing the apples. Fill the hole with so much stuffing you can. And put the apple lid back. Repeat for the rest. I squeeze half of this beautiful lemon on top to balance out the taste. And some honey for the glaze and flavor. Honey, marzipan, cinnamon and apple together. This combination takes me back to my childhood Christmas time. Put them in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes, but make sure to check it after 25 minutes. Let's prep the classic sauce for it, the vanilla sauce. In this video I use the finished powder to make the sauce, but if you are interested to know how to make homemade vanilla sauce, drop a comment below. Here I have 500 ml whole milk, 100 ml of which I use cold for dissolving the vanilla powder. Then add 10 grams vanilla sugar and 2 heaping tablespoons sugar. Do you see these vanilla pods in the sugar? When the beans are scraped out, don't toss them away. Instead, put them in a normal sugar container and there aromatize the sugar. Now warm up the rest of the milk in a saucepan and keep stirring to prevent it from forming a film. Don't let it to simmer. As soon as it's warm, add the vanilla mixture to it and keep stirring until it's thickened. And the vanilla sauce is ready. I take the apples out of the oven after 40 minutes. Look at that beautiful glaze. You can see the apples are baked to perfection, but they still retain the perfect shape. Here I plate one of them and pour the vanilla sauce on top and around. Snow it with the powder sugar for the look. And there we are. Can't wait anymore. Look there inside and you see why I use the cranberry. While everything else is kind of yellowish, it gives such an amazing color to the stuffing. And don't miss the buttery apple gravy. So delicious. Taste of childhood holidays. The tangy sour taste of the Boskop is balanced with the marzipan and other sweet ingredients. And the robust taste of almond, cinnamon and vanilla makes it even better. It's easy to make and pays off more than you expect when you taste it. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and hit the subscribe button, because there are more Christmas recipes coming out soon. Thanks for watching.